guys, Sammy B here, back with another video. Today we were playing hide and seek in this little cattail maze right behind my house. And I am sorry I've not been able to post much. I have been struggling to find content, struggling to be fishing, and look forward to fishing in salt water though, because we're going to be catching some lunkers. But let's just go play hide and seek. And it's pretty fun to run from Toby. Took you long enough, huh? Ooh. Oh, right away. Yes. Let's go. Boom. Let's play some hide and seek out. Okay, I'm gonna throw it over here, trick them that I'm running that way, but actually curve around and come behind there. Let's throw this sucker again. Boom. Aw, he saw me. Yeah, he saw me. But I'm running again. Okay, that was a good shot. I threw it, and then I ran, and he saw me, so he went back to get his toy. But then I ran even again. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. I'll see you in maybe a week or so. But I appreciate all the support in the last month or so. Even though I haven't been posting, thank you for all the support. And I guess I'll just catch you later.